To start this video off, this year I went to the Red Ball Military Vehicle Show, as this is something that I always do, in order to film and photograph real military vehicles. The event is a 2-day event, starts on Friday, ends on Saturday, but Saturday is really the main show event. Unfortunately, we got hit with a hurricane this year, and Saturday was a complete washout, so everything was canceled. However, Friday, I did go to the show with my camera, and I was able to take some interesting walkarounds of a few of the vehicles that they had on display at that time. Regrettably, I wasn't able to get any video on that day, but I was able to get some decent walk-around photographs. One of the vehicles that was really interesting to me was this Thiokol 601 Snowcat type vehicle. These were used by the US Air Force in the early 1960s, and they are a very cool, interesting vehicle, and I never had the opportunity to see one in person, so this was a real treat. This was one I really wish I was able to get on video, but regardless, the situation is at hand. At least I have the static photographs to show you all in a video collage. By the way, all of the high-res photographs of this vehicle that were taken are listed on the ECA Facebook page, and the link of that can be found directly in the video description below. With that in mind, sit back, enjoy the show, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. See ya.